Good afternoon. It's June 9th, 2023. And today, really a range day. I mean, we have hit the measured move of the overnights, found some resistance, then we pushed higher. And I think what we did is we just made a measured move of the measured move, for lack of a better term. You can see that we found resistance there, and prices have been responding to these other levels, like um, the measured move, uh, the opening price. So I would say it's a range day. So we'll take a look. There could be something I missed in here. Pretty relatively low volume today. Um, where's five in? Yeah, so I think five, somewhere in here, 5 o'clock came in. And this one was really tempting. And so was this one. Um, but this is just the first entry. See, we actually made a new low as well. And it is confirmation of the trend channel, but with this being the overnight highs, you got to be really careful. But we do go higher after that, and then we just go sideways towards the open, or actually at the open, we start going sideways. And you do get I got to mark this one. I forgot to mark this one. You get a double test. So maybe you take that one. I would say that's pretty aggressive, but it does work. Goes higher. You get this second entry, and then a higher low. But really, I mean, I'd kind of look at that as a double test anyway. So it's kind of like a higher low and double test, more like a double test first, primarily, because you can see we're just going sideways. When we make a leg up, break, move to a new high, and then you get two legs of correction and a second entry long. Nice bullish bar. Probably bounced off like a midline in here or something. Something like that. Not quite, but it found support at the highs here. And then it's just kind of slowly fading, the uptrend. We've already got a new high in place. So this one I marked blue, but we have a new high in place already and two legs up, but it's just set up very well. We're going sideways up here. Nothing you can take in here. You can't take this one, but when we get this first entry, second entry off this, it confirms that trend channel. I say you take that, and you can see it finds support at that midline before it finds support, it goes higher. We get a break of this channel, strong move down to a new low, and then we just keep going down. And really, we're just chopping down with chopping sideways with the downward bias after that is how I would look at it. Too congestive here to take anything. Find some support here. I mean, maybe you take that. Maybe you take this one. But it's kind of just in the middle of nowhere. And you're going right into that previous level of support. So it's risky. Come up here, sell off, test that level again. And then you get a hidden second entry right here. Maybe you take that. It's off of that previous trend line. And then we get a double test here with a huge bullish reversal bar. You're going right into the EMA, but it looks pretty good. Only problem is we're continuing to make lower highs, so it's risky. But then you get, actually the reversal pattern happens right here. I didn't see that. You get a reversal right here. And I like that because it shot through the EMA, tested it 2 times, and then goes higher. But then you'd probably be too nervous to enter here because that's congested. Then you get a second entry long. If your signal bar was good here, I would say take it. My signal bar is no good. And really, we've just been going sideways with finding support at the opening price since then. Trap people here going early on the engulfing bar. You can see like a first entry, second entry. and then it goes lower. So that's really how I saw it. I would say a pretty straightforward day. Looks like it was low volume. Anyway, I hope everyone has a great weekend. I'll be back Monday.